So,
Vietnamese people do that.
oh, really?
Yes, old people do that.
Yeah. So you'll see like everyone's mouth is red. The whole floor of the streets are all
Oh,
red.
really?
They're spitting it, yeah.
Yes.
Huh.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
This is
And
the
they're
leaf
these
that they
plants,
wrap
huh?
it with. Yeah. Well, they wrap a
That's what
betel
it is.
nut in this. So this is part of it. Even the kids do it.
Really?
But the kids do like a non-psychoactive version of it.
Oh, they're psycho.
Yeah, it's like tobacco. It's like something like
Huh.
that, you know?
So it's like a nicotine as opposed to like a caffeine.
Yeah, it's some kind of stimulant. It's not quite nicotine though, but it's some kind of stimulant. But in Hawaii, this is called false kava because this looks just like the kava kava plant, but it's not kava, right? It doesn't have the same relaxing effects as kava. And kava obviously doesn't smell like licorice, you know? Very bitter.
Hey, you.
They look like cars.
You're doing okay with your shoes?
Totally. This is the baby as heck, but
I know, but
totally fine. Oh, I could go for days. I could climb them. I could scale a
I
wall.
just feel like they're